Welcome to Speaking and Writing About Paris. This is your virtual language resource center in which the objective is you to improve your speaking and writing skills. I will show you this introductory video in order you to know how to use the website. First, don't forget this is the website enjoyspeakingaboutparis.webnode.com. Once you get in that website, you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 options that you can select. So I will explain you one by one in order you to know how to navigate for this website. So let's start by home. If you get on home, you have a welcome and you will find the purpose of this virtual language resource center. So you will find there some words from your tutors in order you to know what is it about. Then if you go to the next one, which is about us, you'll find all information about your tutors, some photographs for you to see, and also important information about them. Then you'll see why this BLRC. So you find what is the reason we decided to create this website. You'll find here in a model in which you will find why was the reason our BLRC basically based on students' needs and teachers' objectives and students' objectives as well, and the benefits we expect you to get from this BLRC. You'll find also our mission here for you to take a look at it, the purpose of the BLRC. Remember, you are an important part of it. Then, before the collaborative project, I will show you the helpful resources in order you to use them to facilitate the development of the activities in the collaborative project. When you check on the helpful resources, then immediately you will go to some tools or resources, of course, that you will find there. Online dictionaries, you will get straight to the links to those dictionaries. Then you have an urban dictionary that will be very useful for this. Pronunciation, you'll find how they say. Click straight on that and you will get on the website. And then we have some Web 2.0 tools that are necessary for you to use during the development of the collaborative project. We have also included some useful BLRCs, another BLRCs, Virtual Language Resource Centers, that has been created, and then you'll find some that will help you with your speaking skills, like this one, Let's Speak, or some others for some tips for writing, like Writer's Block, UPN, or Let's Write Together. This is another one. Then Real Speaking Club for some tips for speaking. And there is a general English one that is Univirtual Language Resource Centers. Then you will find also some other resources and activities, tips and suggestions for your learning process. Okay, so this is the helpful resources section. Then I will show you the help desk. Remember, at any time you need to contact your tutors, you can do it through this web. If you click on help desk, you'll find the information, contact information from your tutors. Yeah, but also if you want to go straight and leave a message, you can do it here. Just include your name, your email, what's the message about, and we will happily getting your messages and answering and supporting you and trying to give you all the time the support and help for you to get the objectives that we have planned in this virtual language resource center. Then on the help desk we have some that is evaluate our BLRC. Then you'll have the time for doing that. That is about what your opinion about our BLRC in order way to have improvement of this. So if you just click here, you will get straight to the survey. right? So I will show you about something that we consider is really important and as one of the main parts of our BLRC, which is the collaborative project. Then you'll have a welcome to the collaborative project, in which some questions are answered, like what is it about, what are the main objectives of this project, what is the expected final product for this project. You have explained everything really clearly here, what we want you to work on this BLRC. Stages is a view on the different stages we have. What is an opportunity for you, like collaborative learning, scaffolding. So remember, this is an overview of the project that you will find. But then, clearly, you'll find 3 steps you need to follow through on this collaborative project. If you click on the step 1, you will get an introduction, objectives for this step 1, and then in this opportunity we have 1 activity. This activity, which is called how much of a party animal me and my partner are, includes 6 steps. So you need to check on the instructions. The first one, choose a partner to work on. Answer this quiz to know how animal party or party animal are you. Number 3, become familiar with the questionnaire. Where can you find the questionnaire? Just clicking in here and you will find it. Then you will find an option, a model for an interview you will develop with your partner if you just click in here, right? Step number 4, you will need to check the video that is here about how to use Audioboom. Then you will share a link with what you record on Audioboom. And finally, you will evaluate your work by using this rubric. You have here a rubric and you will self-evaluate in order to know if you got or you reached the achievements we propose for this activity. Then just to the final step is just you go back, and if you have followed all the steps, then you will click on there and you will have an overview on the project, for you to know what we have worked on, right? So remember, on step 1 you will know how much of a party animal are you and your partner. Then you will have to create an interview with a questionnaire with your partner and record that. Your voices will be recorded on Audioboom. Remember, that's step 1. Includes just 1 activity. Then you go to step 2. You will find let's advise about how to behave at a party. So in here, as it says, you will try to provide some advice for your partners about how to behave, how to act, how to dress, what to eat. Well, so many different things at a party. This step includes 2 activities. In activity 1, you will need to read. Access is number 1. Access these 3 possibilities of articles in which you will be provided to some ideas about how to behave at a party. If you need some extra aid for reading strategies because you need to read the articles, you can click in here and you will find some strategies for better understanding of reading. So remember, number 2, create. What you need to create? Well, you need to create a list of at least 10 advice to behave at a party, right? It says using Kahoot tool. You know how to use Kahoot? Well, clicking here and then clicking here to access the model about the advice you need to provide. Next, 3, share with Kahoot. If you need any aid, so you can click on it and you will get some tutorials on how to use Kahoot. Remember, don't forget to invite your tutors when you get in your Kahoot account. So remember, access to the articles, create your list of advice, and then share on Kahoot. This is activity 1, step 2. Activity 2, choosing a video tool to present my advice list in a funny way. So here we propose in number 1, explore. Explore what? Well, the different video makers we have here that you can use for free in order to create a video, right? So let's go with number 2, that is explore a video tool that you select previously. You explore it, you can check the tutorials in here, right? If you have not access, you don't understand how to use it, you can also contact the help desk. Well, then you need to create what? Create your video following the suggestion described in instruction 1, right? You will create a video by using the list of advice. And finally, number 4, upload the video in here. Yeah, in this link, you will upload your video in order to share with your classmates. Remember, 2 activities in this step. And finally, step number 3, the 3 step, time to tell us about a party you went on. So in here you will tell an experience, a proper experience you have had at a party. Yeah, so then you'll find the introduction, the objectives for this step, and then you'll find the activity. This opportunity we have 2 activities as well, and you will know how to do it about it. So we have the introduction, the objectives for this BLRC, as you can find them here. Then we have activity 1. Let's write a free story about a party you and your partner went on. So in instructions we have number 1, prepare your story, right? It says use Web Assist, this tool, in order to help you prepare your story. Then number 2, share what? Share the notes that you took on this forum about the party you went on. Number 3, you will go to this link and you will start creating the story. The idea is to create a story about a party all together with your classmates. So remember, you will see in this icon the video tutorial. If you have any question, don't hesitate to contact the help desk. Sure, there are some writing strategies here that will help you on your tasks. That is, write the anecdote of the experience. Number 4, share your story, share your tale in this forum. Then go on activity number 2, evaluate your progress. At this point, the idea is that you follow those instructions and you have the opportunity to evaluate your progress, to check how good had been the BLRC for you, if you have improved on your abilities, if you have accomplished with the objectives. So just follow these instructions, and well, on the last step, it is evaluate our BLRC. That is the same information that you found here that I showed you, evaluate our BLRC. Yeah, when you click in there, you will go straight to a survey about it. Okay guys, so I hope you have understood in this short video about how to manage, how to handle the virtual language resource center, because this is the survey I mentioned. And well, hope you enjoyed and you can accomplish with all the what we have prepared for you. See you in the next opportunity, guys. Take care.